Hey guys, today we're doing an installation of some rim tape on this 2018 Ninja 1000, and this is the Tapeworks Graphics rim tape. Check out their website, they have tons of options. They have stuff that's multicolor and different designs. I'm just using a standard red. This is actually a reflective red rim tape, and it's number 6017. It's a 1/4 inch wide. They offer it in 3 different widths, and this is the most popular. And then I also got the Stripe-It-All tool, which helps ensure an even application of the rim tape. So I'll show you how all of this works. When you buy this tape comes in, it's just like a wide strip of tape with 6 stripes on it, so then you got to cut them into the individual strips. So I did that before I got here, so this is what it looks like now. But we'll get the rims prepped and then we'll get this stuff installed. So the first thing we're going to do is get the rims cleaned up. I'm just using some rubbing alcohol. This is a new bike, so there's not any accumulated brake grime or road grime, anything like that on the rims. But still, it's important to get a nice clean surface. And I can see there is some dirt on here, so we're going to get this cleaned up with rubbing alcohol. If your bike is dirtier than this, you might want to give it a wash first and get some of the bigger chunks of dirt off. Alright, rims should be cleaned up. Alright, to get started we're going to get the Stripe-It-All tool all set up. And I've already done this, but basically you have a lock nut on the end. This thing with the 4 fingers rotates, and then as you tighten it in, it gets closer, and so that it adjusts where this felt wheel lies, and you want to get it so that the wheel is centered on the rim, or on the part of the rim where you're going to apply the tape. Another tip is to have a pair of scissors ready, because you'll need to trim the tape at the beginning and the end. And then they give you this little plastic stick. Reminds me of that thing that you when you get the crackers and cheese in the packet and they give you the red plastic stick to spread the cheese. Kind of reminds me of that. Anyway, you're going to stick this on here. Get the tool lined up. Feed the tape through. Peel back just this first part of the tape. Trim it off. Overlap it a little bit. And pull the tape back. Alright, so we just finished installing the Tapeworks graphics rim tape. Couldn't have been easier. That tool makes it really simple and you get perfect results. Like I said before, this is the reflective red. Under normal lighting conditions or just on a sunny day, you're not going to see the reflectivity. But when a car's headlights shine on you or another light source, then that's when the reflectivity will show up. So to kind of demonstrate that, what I'm going to do is turn on a light as if you're in the driver's position and a headlight were to turn on. So there you can kind of see what that reflectivity looks like. And I'll take some pictures to kind of show what that looks like a little bit better because it's not showing up very well in video. But thanks for watching.